Heads up, it's Matt for 360 Investigations, and I'm at an abandoned storage facility. This one's pretty big. If you actually rotate the camera, you'll see it's up that way. This is mainly for pictures being taken at the top of the building, so I will resume filming when I get in there. Okay, so we made it to the top. This is literally the whole point of this entire structure, is to get at the top and take in the view. So, I guess apparently he's really exhausted from walking up all those stairs. See?
I hate this fucking
You
walk.
lazy bastard.
I hate this.
What's wrong with you? I'll pull a Jones. Hey, what are you waiting for?
That's what I came here for.
To rest up here on that? That's okay, you do that. So, I'm just gonna walk around the edge. I'm not sure how far the camera can see, or how far you can see it, but let's try to see, okay? This is really cool view. I'm gonna go look over. This is like something right out of that is so cool. Going down is going to be a lot easier than going up, I'll tell you that right now. Look at how cool this is. I'm really not sure if you can even see anything, but I'll try. I'm going to use a different camera setting after this and walk around and see if that actually does a difference in lighting. I should say, see if there is a difference in lighting. I can't speak today, never mind. This is really cool. Looks like these are steps coming down. I don't know if you can see it, but my car is way over there. We parked and walked across the tracks to get in here. It's cool. What's really funny is I just got gas at that gas station over there a few minutes ago. That's funny. This is actually a really cool view. This building is pretty big as far as structure-wise. There's a lot of cool floors down there, but they're pretty much all vacant and empty and really nothing to see. It's just structurally cool. So Again, the point of this building isn't really to get the interior, it's to come on the roof and get exterior shots. It's really cool.
There's a lot of really good graffiti.
Yeah. We'd have to come back during the day for that one. Sorry, I'm kind of walking fast to get over some bald spots. All right, so I'm back on the ground and I'm just closing out this explore. Again, the building we were just in is not the one that's this way. If you actually spin the camera around, take over my camera, my finger's pointing, you'll see. This is actually the facility in front of us. It's pretty tall. And it's an old factory, so it's pretty cool. That's the roof I was just on. That's basically it. So until next explore, this is Mapper 360 Investigations from an abandoned factory. We wish you well, me and Lisa. So stay safe. Mapper 360 Investigations signing out.